Crazy experimentation happening here today at Kim's Art Alchemy. This, I mixed up an ounce of resin, and because it's kind of cold here, I decided, oh, let's stick it in the microwave for 10 seconds after I mixed it. And it was boiling hot. I don't know about boiling, but it was really hot, like 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And I was like, oh, crap. Let's mix up some more resin just in case. So, but I thought I don't want to waste the resin. So let's just see what happens. And when it was cooling down, it got super thick. So when I put it in, I was like, man, I don't know. Like so thick that it got stringy. So I don't know how this is gonna look, but luckily, because this is semi-transparent, I should be able to see through it and see if it's worth continuing to add layers. So with this one, I have mixed up a total of about 40 grams of resin, and I'm using the NicPro resin. I use NicPro for both of these, and my alcohol inks today are lemon, and these are both by Decor ROM. Now in this one, I actually put watermelon, and in this one, I'm gonna put tangerine. All right. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like that combo a little better, but we'll see. All right, and I am using Julie's bloom paste. I separated out 10 grams here, and my plan is to do these roses again, only in the yellowy orange color. So what I have noticed, which is the same with these two, is that in getting the 3D look, because we're adding layers, it's kind of dome shaped this way, which I think doesn't give it the rose look that this one has. So my plan is not to add as many layers with this one, I don't think, and try and get this flattish look for that first layer, and then just do 2 layers. Who knows? We'll see what happens, but that's just part of the experimentation. So let's see. This is my white. It will go transparent. Okay. I think I'm gonna try and make this go round in a circle. Kind of. And I want to do smaller petals. Yeah, this is spreading very nicely. Too nicely? I don't know. Try and make these ever so slightly larger as I head out. So this resin is going to come back in. It's also going to go back out because the resin pulls in, and as it pulls in, that underside comes up over. So okay, that's as far as I want to go there. Just want to capture the edge of that line. I think that's it. Tempted to do one more though. Probably shouldn't. But you just kind of get into it and you get going. Right, that's it. I don't have too much left, just a wee bit. Teeny tiny bit. All right. I'm gonna bring this in. Perfect. I'm back for layer number 2. So this was the experimental piece. And look how beautifully this bloomed. I have actually poured the base of the next layer into this, so I can't pick it up and show you the other side. But I wanted to let you know that while this was curing, I thought, I'm gonna drop some ink on the top of this and just see what it does. And it kind of looks cool. So I'm gonna do it again, only on this side though. On this side, I'm gonna do another drop of the lemon yellow. Maybe I'll do 2 drops there. And two drops here. Really like this combination a lot. Very pretty. Okay, so that's good. That one I poured in. So I have 16 grams. I mixed up a total of 2 ounces of resin, and I have 16 grams of that in here. And I mixed it with 2 Julie drops, 2 of Julie's bloom paste drops. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to start piping this over here. Okay, that's good for that. Now that has spread out. Let's do this one now. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave that like that. I'm gonna let that spread. Let's deblob a little bit. So now for this one, I'm gonna do a couple of drops. Let's see, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? Okay, and then the watermelon. 1, 2. All right, let's see what happens. How crazy. How crazy. We're back. And I'm at a point of needing to make some decisions. And I wanted to show you how pretty this looks. So again, can you see right here and here where the resin has come up and over? That's just, again, how that resin cures. So it's moving from the outside in, and as it does, it's bringing what's underneath up and over. So, all right, now let's look at the other side. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is one of the reasons I like these semi-transparent molds, is you can kind of see what's going on the other side. So at this stage, while I wish I had more of that ink out on these far petals, it's not gonna happen unless I add another layer. But I don't wanna add another layer because then I'll lose some of the spaces that are kind of right here at the edge. And I want to put a back coat on this. And I think if I put a back coat on it, I will get the end result that I'm looking for. I'm gonna make it an orangey, kind of that orange. I'm gonna use the same color. I think it was Tangerine. Yeah, Tangerine. And I'm gonna color the resin and I'm gonna put that in as the back coat. So hopefully that will look gorgeous. So that's my plan for this one. Here's this one. My bees and bugs. That's what I've decided they look like, because seriously, does that not look like a dust mite? Looks like a dust mite. This one here kind of looks like a bee. I guess these ones look like flowers. But I think this side just looks really cool. It's like, it's the side. But let's check out the other side. So on this side, my flower went off center. And I was messing with it. So really this is just an experimentation piece, but everything bloomed really nicely. And I think I'm gonna leave this just how it is, so we can see what it's like. So let's do that now. I'm gonna unmold it, demold it. Let's see, look how cute. It's thin. Wow. Okay, so on this side, you do get some cool effects by dropping that ink in after. I might have to play with that some more. What do you guys think? It's a pretty cool look. Look in there, it kind of looks like shrimp. Uh-oh, we're gonna get hungry now. Shrimp and bugs. All right, what do you think of my experimentation? Okay, let's demold. So just a reminder, here's the one that I was playing with, and I actually prefer this side to this side, but it could go either way. So let's look at this one now. I put this orange backing on it, and I can't even tell you what all I put in here. I put in several different colors of the alcohol inks. I put some acrylic ink in, and then I also put some TLP mango in. So it's a mishmash. Oh, stunning. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Seriously awesome. Yep, there's nothing I would do differently. I love it. Okay, maybe there's one thing I'd do differently. On that last layer, I would have put the alcohol inks out as far as I could get them. Other than that, this is mwah. And I love the shimmer in the back just from putting that little bit of the TLP in there. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, I hope you guys really like this one. Let me know in the comments below. And is there anything you would have done differently? All right, let me just show you the sides so you can see the layers. Very cool. That shimmery, shiny backing. Love it. All right. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.